GoPro Hero 6 with an external microphone riding a 2016 Indian Springfield motorcycle. The external microphone is mounted right next to the camera in this shot. This time, the microphone is mounted on the saddlebag near the rear of the bike, so that we pick up the exhaust sound. This time the camera is mounted on the side of the bike down low, and the microphone is mounted to the Aero 111 intake. See how the intake noise picks up.